Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got a nickel box to hunt today. So after my last couple of nickel hunts that really had some good finds, we had the 5 silvers in that one box, and then we had another hunt where I got my very first V nickel. I'm so excited about that. It was a 1902, still a great hunt, still a great V nickel, and it was my first. Check that off the list of finds. And this bank is across the street from my Wells Fargo inside the grocery store where I get my half dollars, and I decided since it's been about a month since I've ran in there and grabbed a box, I'd run in there and grab a box. This bank used to be a hot spot for me back in a few months ago when I was getting buffalo nickels pretty regularly out of it. Every couple of boxes I'd get a couple of buffalo nickels, a few silvers, but that's about it. And then it went cold and I stopped going there. And like I said, it's been a few months, so I figured I'd give it a shot again. Grabbed a box. I already checked it. As you can see, it is circulated nickels, so that's a good sign. I haven't checked the enders yet. We'll be checking them along the way. And as always, I'll loop you in if I find something worth showing. Fast start, guys. First roll of the box. We got a 40s nickel. It's a 46. 46 Philadelphia. Man, it sure has kind of a silver tone to it, doesn't it? But it's not. It's still a 46 though. We're on the board. Roll number 9. And I haven't flipped it yet, but that's looking pretty old. $19.49. D. You know what? I think 49 has a D over S air variety. Or let me just take a look there. Looks just like a D to me. I'll look at it under the loop in a little bit more time, but yeah, good find. Roll 23, guys, and we laid them out. We got a pretty green one here. It's a silver war nickel, and that's a D mint mark. Can it be a 43? It's a 44. Pretty toasty as well, but you know what? 35% silver on the board with a silver war nickel. Same roll as that silver war nickel. And we've got a 42 non-silver. All right. We'll take that all day as well. And we'll check this for the speared buffalo, which it's not. Let's look for some more. Roll 26, guys, and look what I just found. It's a buffalo nickel. It was face up. I don't see a date yet. And I don't see a mint mark. Let me take another peek at it. I might use nick a date on it as well. So we'll see what I do when I come back. If I can get a date, I won't use nick a date. If I have to, then I will. All right, guys, we have the nick a dated. It's definitely not a mint mark, but if I get the right lighting here, there you go, 1919. So we got a 1919 Philadelphia mint buffalo nickel. Had a nick dated. It's not worth much. I think it's $2.50 if it wasn't treated. So didn't get any more value out of it, but we know what it is. By the way, that's a buffalo and a silver wartime nickel in the box, and we're just at halfway. Same roll as that buffalo, and we've got a 41 here. 41 Philadelphia. Roll 29, guys, and look at this. Another 42. Another 42 Philadelphia. And I think I see another old one right here. Yep. 1941 Philadelphia. So nice roll there. A couple of 40s nickels. All right. Roll 30 is an interesting roll. I wonder if I'm missing a nickel or two. I'll let you know if I am. No finds in that roll. 38 nickels. They shorted me 10 cents. Unbelievable. Wow. I guess we're okay with it for now. Roll 37. Got a 40s nickel here. 1940 Philadelphia. We're on roll 40, guys, and I've got kind of an interesting find here. I thought it was a blank planchet at first, But look at this. And it doesn't appear to be like, I mean, I guess it could have been scraped away. But let me put it under the microscope. You can see the outline of Jefferson's head on the new design, and it just fades away. It's got a little more definition down here. It looks like it's 2012 Denver. What are your guys' thoughts on this coin? Has this been rubbed away, or is this a mint air? Like a very weak strike. It's hard to tell. The edges look good, so if it was worn away, someone did it by hand. It does have scratches, as you can see right there. I'm thinking it was worn away, but I'd like your thoughts. I'm going to pull it aside anyway, because it's a cool find. It's almost a blank planchet. All right, let's get back to the hunt. Roll 45, another 40s coin here. 1941. S. We'll take a 41S. Roll 49, guys. I bring it in because I have an odd colored one here, and the edge looked silvery. And it is. It's a Philadelphia Mint. 1943. And it's not in bad shape whatsoever. It's almost like it was kept in some little manila packet or something. It has kind of that toning to it. But at the end of the day, that's a second silver, and it's in much better shape than the last one. 2 silvers in that box. Let's find something else. Okay, we finished that box of nickels, and kind of a light Jefferson box. We'll get to that. Still pulled out this either weak strike or scratched off coin. Really hard to tell. It's got the scratches like it could have been, but it's just so perfectly done. I don't know. We'll keep it aside. 4 2009s. We ended up with 7 in the 50s, 2 55s, 2 57s, a 2 58s, and a 59. In the 40s, we ended up with 8 finds. We've got a 40, 3 41s, 2 42 non-silvers, which is cool, a 46, and a 49. And then we ended up with the finds of the box here. 3 good coins. We got a 44 Denver, a 43 Philadelphia, and a 1919 Buffalo. Really fun hunt. Whenever you can get one or more of the key finds of a box, that makes it all worth it, especially when 2 are silver. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt with me. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, guys, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.